So, push it. I think I broke it. Oh, it's hard. Ah, there we go. It worked. We just... I thought my life was gonna end right there. Oh my god, it's stuck. Yo. Soon. Now we just grab this fat boy that doesn't know how to exercise, and there we have it. At a butterfly. And this first steps. Now we just satisfying moment. You know. And bam! Wait. We have it. It is cutted. Wait, just like this. And there you go with this. You would take out the parts with like the boobs. But yeah, we're done. Let's go. So this is what it looks like. It's cool. And I absolutely adore it. This is just made from this thing. Not sharp, by the way. Children's safety, but not this machine. And also this thing, don't put it on babies, because when I said children's, I don't mean like, you know, babies. I mean just kiddos. And then if you want to get more satisfied, you can actually take out these little bits here. So yeah, we're done.